Hello there, it's Miss Wiley. I have some more fun blending activities for us to do this week. This week we're going to be working a little bit with word families and using word families to help us blend. Word families are actually a great tool that we can use to help us blend because the second part of the word, like in the at family, is always the same. So that's the family we're going to work with today. When I see this AT, it's going to say at. So all these words that we're going to make are going to have at the end. So all we need to do is change the first part of the word. So I'm going to add some letters to the first part of the word, and we're going to make some new words. And then I've got some pictures over here. We're going to see if we can match the word we make to the picture. So now I have a C, and what does the C say? K. So I take k and combine it with at, k, at, k, at, cat. And now I'm going to look at my pictures. Do you see a cat? There we go. We have a picture of a cat. So I'm going to circle him because we found it. All right, I'm going to take off, take off a letter. Now we have another word. I want you to say the sounds with me this time. So I have an R, it says and then I'm going to put my at, at, rat. We have another animal to find. Do you see the rat? You can point to it on the screen if you see it. There's our rat. All right, change it up. Let's find another word. There's an M. So I'm going to say at, mat. I'm going to find a mat, kind of like a welcome mat maybe you have at home. Do you see it? Let's circle our mat there. All right. Say this one with me. At, hat. Now I'm looking for the hat. That's a big one down there. See the hat? All right. And now I'm going to take off my H. Stuck to the other one. And I have a B this time. So say the sounds with me. At, bat. So I need to find my animal that is the bat. Do you see the bat on here? All right, so that is us using the at family. Now I'm gonna move my at family aside and I'm gonna bring a new family in. I'm gonna take off our letters for just a second and I wanna see what family are we working with. When I have the A and the N, this is going to be the an family. Can you say that with me? Let's say it 3 times. An. So the second part of our word is always going to be the same. It's going to be that an sound. So I'm going to take my letters. It's time to make some words. My first letter, what letter is that? V. All right, so I'm going to model it one more time and then I'm going to have you start doing this on your own. So I'm going to say V, an. Remember that A-N is going to say an. That's our an family. V, an, van. I'm going to look over at my pictures. Do we see a van in there anywhere? I see one right there. I take off my V. Now, whoops. Sorry, it's a little crooked there. Straighten them up. All right. And now I have an R. I want you to say the sounds while my finger moves. Ran. Do you see a picture of somebody who might be running? Like they may have ran somewhere? Let's see. This person looks like he's standing still. This person looks like he ran. Maybe he ran down the hall somewhere. All right. Take away my letter. Whoops, they're sticking to each other, aren't they? All right, let's try this again. I want you to say it. And fan. I'm gonna find my fan. Can you point to it on the screen? There's my fan. That's a fan that spins. Let's make some more words. If I put an M on here, what word are we gonna make? And Man. All right, now I just need a picture of a man. Do you see the man? All right, I will circle him. All right, we're almost done. I've got a C again, just like we had for our other family. I want you to say the sounds as my finger moves by them. K, an, can. All right, now I need to find, there's 2 pictures left. There's my can. And my last picture is of a pan. What letter do you think is going to start my word pan? Let's see. I take off my C. What letter do I have under there? Did you guess P? Let's say it together. P, and, pan. So today we worked with the at and an word families to blend.